This is pretty cool. This is the Tofino by Pleasureway. It's kind of riding the trend of pop-top campers with no bathrooms. You want to see it?
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
On the Ram 1500 Promaster chassis. Love the color. What do you think of that? Pop top, clearly. Water in, electricity, Truma furnace. Probably water in, potable water only, yes. Gray tank release. I'll call it garage storage. Motorized bed, so this would come down this way. Screen, automotive glass, ladder to get up to the pop top. Some key features here: 200 amp hour lithium batteries, touchscreen control, 2000 watt inverter, Vario heat furnace, great. Manual bed with 2 lap belts, cool. Induction cooktop, fridge freezer sink. Overhead bunk is 49 by 72. Additional features are more solar. Black Rhino wheels and Toyo tires, cool. Running board, very rugged. Let's jump inside. Galley, clearly. Induction cooktop. Small sink. Kind of a bar style. Water. Looks like cold water only. Storage, nice. Lap belts. Again, the seat folds down that way to seat a few folks. And then up above, wait for it. Yes. Look at that. I'd say about a full-size bed. Windows zip up or open. So this to me feels like a weekender with the kids, grandkids. Small fridge. Positive latch, good. Storage, cool. Maybe a little reminiscent of the Souls by Winnebago, huh? Let's look at the specs. So the specs are, everybody wants to know the price right away, so $91,800 MSRP. What it comes with is a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty, 2,000 watt inverter, got induction stove, multiplex wiring, two 100 amp hour lithium batteries, big furnace, 15 gallons fresh water tank, 8 gallons of gray. Really nice little rig. So this was kind of the cherry red. This one is silver. Same floor plan. Chair spins around. Bunk up on top. And then if you want graphite, same deal. 91.8. Same interior. Hey, if we're meeting for the first time, howdy. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about the Class B van RV lifestyle. Here we give you van tours, we show you places to take your van, and we give you van tips. And 6 p.m. every Wednesday we have What's Up Wednesday, my weekly RV van life YouTube show to help you be a better RVer. Subscribe to the channel if you're into that kind of content. You don't want to miss a single thing. We'll see you on the next What's Up Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central, and we'll see you on the small screen. Here's on your thoughts of the Tofino. 3 color choices. These are really popular, I think, for weekenders, kids going camping, and no bathroom, not the usual RV setup that so many of us are accustomed to, but maybe for some tailgating. Comment below, let me know what you think about these. Would it work for you? They're kind of cool. Small, get around town, maybe a daily driver. And you can make lunch and have a nap.